Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 13 of our 30 days of yoga challenge. And so today we will focus on Yin Yoga. So not quite restorative, but more of a deep stretch session. So what you'll need today is your yoga mat and a yoga strap. If you do not have a yoga strap, you can use a long towel, a scarf, or a belt. All three of those will work just fine. So grab those things and we will get started. So we're going to start on our backs in a supine position. And you can extend your legs out in front of you, arms down by your side. We're going to start with side bends here. So let's bring our arms above our head. Inhale. On the exhale, bring your arms and your upper body over to the right side of your mat. And then walk your feet over to the right side as well. You can cross your left ankle over your right. So you're thinking about your body being in the shape of a banana or the letter C. And just stretching the left side of the body. And let's take about 5 breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And then go ahead and release and come back to center. Keeping your arms above your head. We're going to the other side. So bringing your arms over to the left side of your mat. And then walking your feet over to the left side as well. So this time we are stretching out the right side of the body. And we will stay here again for 5 breaths. So let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Then go ahead and release and come back to center. From here, you can bend the knees and place the feet on the mat. And we are going to come into a figure 4 stretch here. So keep your left foot down. Bring your right knee in towards your chest. And then take your right ankle and place it in front of the left knee. Once you do that, push the right knee out in front of you. And so you can choose to stay here in this position. As you press your right knee out, you just feel the stretch in the hip. If you'd like to take it a step further, you can bring your arms out in front of you, reach through between the leg and on the outside of the left leg, And grab the back of the left thigh. And you can stay here in this position. And then last option for this, if you want to use a strap, or if it feels better if you have something to assist you, we can do that. So you'll start with the strap around the back of the left thigh. And then you'll get into the position the same way. So bringing the right knee in, crossing the right ankle in front of the left knee, and drawing the right knee away from you. And then bring the left knee into your chest, using your strap or your towel or belt, whichever one you're using right now, and hold it here. So choosing which way you want to hold this position, we're going to stay here for 5 breaths. So let's inhale together and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and exhale. If you'd like, you can stay here and reach that left foot up and have the toes reaching down towards you. So like you're standing that foot on the ceiling. Take a breath here. Feel the calf and the hamstring engage here. Feel it stretching out a little bit. And then release. Release the strap. Release the right foot. And so we can switch here. So again, starting by keeping the right foot down, bring that left knee in, and then you're going to take the left ankle in front of the right knee and draw the left knee away from the body. So you can stay here for your figure 4 stretch, or you can choose to reach your arms in front of you. One hand goes around the outside of the right thigh. The other reaches through between the legs and around to the right thigh. And you're going to pull that knee in and hold it there. And of course, you can use your strap for the same purpose. So bringing it around the back of the right thigh. Left knee in, cross the ankle in front of the right knee. And then pulling that right leg in towards you. So just finding that position that's comfortable for you in this moment. And we'll take 5 breaths here. So let's inhale. Open your mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then go ahead and release the strap. Release the right foot down. And release the left foot down. And then from here, we'll come up to seated. And we're going to come into a bound angle here. So bring the bottoms of the feet together. Allow the knees to fall out to the sides and the feet, or the bottom of the feet, to open like a book. And you can have your hands on your ankles or on the mat, whichever feels better. Sit tall. And then let's go ahead and fold over. So folding over by walking your hands forward. You can come as far as you like down. And we will stay here for 5 breaths. Let's inhale together and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Notice how you feel here. Notice the sensation in the hips. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And then go ahead and walk your hands back towards your body. And come to a regular seated position. Sit tall, reaching up through the crown of the head. Let the hands rest on the knees. And we'll end here with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Thank you for joining me today for our Yin Yoga session. And I encourage you to reflect on how you felt during this session by writing in your journal, or you can let me know down in the comments. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 14 of our 30-day yoga challenge.